Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan and welcome back to Videos in Bed. I'm currently sitting in bed because, if you guys don't know, currently I am resting my leg because I hurt my leg really badly. And it's a whole long story, but long story short, I hurt it, it got infected, and I had to go to the doctor. They cleaned it out. It's disgusting. I basically have a huge gash on my leg, and now I'm sitting in bed because I can't walk. Well, I can walk on it, but regardless, I usually would be, you know, out at my studio filming this, but for now I'm gonna be filming in my bed, so I hope you guys don't get creeped out. But yeah, my name's Dylan. Hello, nice to meet you guys. This is what I do with my life for this week. I'm just sitting in bed drinking coffee, editing videos, working. I can still work from home, so you know it's not that bad. And watching Netflix movies. So if you have any movie recommendations, please let me know. Any movies at all, okay? I can find a way to watch it, even if it's not on Netflix. So I just got a text literally 4 minutes ago. Yeah, I can show you this. That's not my number, that's Uber's number. I don't know if you guys get these texts, but if you're a driver, you will get these texts from time to time. It says, Uber, a new version of the driver app is available. Update here. Maybe they're updating it for 2020. I'm excited. I want to see what the new driver app looks like. If you guys don't know, I am taking this week off from driving, so obviously because I can't even walk, and my driving foot is the leg I got injured, my driving leg, so I can't really drive. I mean, I can drive a bit, but you know, pulling 10-hour shifts, even 3-hour shifts driving, probably not the smartest move in the world. So, like I said, I'm just sitting here chilling and not driving, but I am excited to start driving again once my leg heals up. So let's take a look at this new update, this new Uber update. Before I get into the video, I did leave a few links in the description down below if you guys want to sign up for Play Octopus. Play Octopus is a tablet company that pays you up to $100 extra per month just to let your passengers play free games in the back. And they don't have to play the games if they don't want to. It's not in your face. Literally, it's just a black screen that literally says play now, and they can click it and play. But if they don't want to, it just sits there and it's not bothering anything. Which is something that I like, because not all passengers want to play games in the back seat, but some really do, and they really like it, and they'll throw you like 10 bucks extra tip, and they might ask you, oh, you know, what is this? And you know, you don't have to say, oh, I get paid for it. You could just say like, oh yeah, you know, I want to install it so you guys can play games for free, you know, and then they might even think that, you know, you're the one who installed it, which you pretty much did, so it's not like you're lying to them, but you get extra tips from it, is what I'm trying to say. And it makes literally driving so much easier. If you guys are a driver, or if you never started driving yet, a lot of rides are just boring. They're just like awkward, and sometimes they're just like, you just have people sitting in your back seat, they're not talking, or they're on their phone, or they're talking to each other, and you're just sitting up there. I mean, obviously you can't be on your phone while you're driving. You can't alleviate that awkward situation. You can play music, but you know, you don't really want to be blasting music anyway, so it has to be really quiet anyway. So usually just sitting up there driving. But if you have passengers in the backseat playing games, it makes it way less awkward, and won't really get those really awkward rides anymore, which honestly is I prefer that. Like, that awkwardness is like one of the things I hate about driving. It's because it's not just awkward, like I can deal with awkwardness, but it just makes the ride go by so much longer. But when your passengers playing games in the back, they're talking to you, it makes driving seem like it's going so much faster. And you know, that way you're enjoying it more, and you end up making more money when you're enjoying it more, rather than just focusing on the money. Second thing, you can sign up for HyreCar, this little snack box that you will sell snacks to your passengers. I don't need to explain that to you. I'm pretty sure you guys know what it is. They send you a free box of snacks. A lot of drivers make $300 extra per month with that thing. That's probably the best, highest paying one. But again, I think it's like a little bit more work than just the tablet, the games in the back seat. That's like the easiest one, but it doesn't pay as much. So you can do Play Octopus, HyreCar, and then the third one is Get Upside. That's another link I'm gonna leave for you guys. Get Upside, I can just show you right now. Like, You can make a ton of money with Get Upside. I know it's a gas app, basically. It shows you which they have partnerships with gas companies, and I'm trying to get it so it doesn't show you my location. But you get 15 cents off per gallon on your first fill up. And then what you want to do, guys, is sign up people. I know you have to sign up your friends, but here we go, guys. I've made $189 just from referring some of my friends. And let me see if I can show you without showing my location. But yeah, here you go. You get 15 cents off per gallon. So, and if you, I honestly kind of get free gas right now. Obviously I am a YouTuber, so there's a lot of people watching my videos in general, but like, yeah, and then you can redeem your money for any of these, or you can just do PayPal, which I prefer just to do PayPal because, you know, just like cash. It's not one of those like weird survey things. Honestly, you just, all you do is click it, and then after you're done, you upload your receipt and they just give you money back. It's not like you're filling out surveys all day. Anyways, let's do the let's get into the Uber update. Let's go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Uber update. Are you guys ready for this? I know I am. I'm trying not to do this, so I don't want to show you guys my location, because every time I film my phone, my location pops up. But here we go. Okay, I'm gonna, hopefully it doesn't show you my location. Okay, so here it is. So, oh, did it already download? Yeah, here it is. So now you need to open it. I really don't want to show you my location, so I'm gonna go like this for a second. Yeah, it still shows my location. Hold on, it still looks the same. Let me see. What you gotta kind of do is go into your app store, and then usually you have to go to like your updates, right? Oh, here we go. So if you go to Uber driver, make sure you do Uber driver, not Uber passenger. It looks like mine's already updated, so let's just go and open it right now. Alright, so I'm trying not to show you my location, but that's good enough. I'm in LA right now. I don't think you guys can figure out exactly where I live, but, well, maybe if you're smart. But here we go. Let's check out. Let's see what's new. I really don't want to show you my location, but here we go, guys. There's so many things in here. Like I can't even go up because it'll show you my license plate number. It's my earnings for the week. Is $0. Obviously, I haven't gone on this week. Let's see. Honestly, it kind of looks the same to me. I don't know. An overview of driving with the Uber app. Is this new? Before you start. Okay, this is boring. Boring. I don't want to do that. I should probably do that at some point, though. Updates on your insurance protection? What the heck is this? Changes to how you're protected. Uber partners. Oh, I was like, what is that little... This is my charger. I was like, what? It says, Uber partners with top insurance companies in the U.S. to maintain blah, blah, blah. Oh, so you can get rideshare insurance, it looks like. Let's see which companies you can do. A lot of you guys do ask about rideshare insurance, so... Okay, are there any companies on here? Third party, a low deductible, $1,000. Oh, look, they just threw hella shade at Lyft. I didn't even know they could do that legally. When a covered accident causes damage to your vehicle, you're responsible for $1,000. This is typically lower than Lyft's, which is $2,500. This means you would pay less out of pocket. Honestly, if any of you guys have ever been in a accident while driving Uber and Lyft, thankfully I haven't yet, so gosh, but I heard Greg Wave, my buddy, well, he's a driver on this channel. He got into an accident while driving, and he said it was a pain in the butt trying to figure it out. He said he spent hours and hours, and you know, he was obviously deactive while they were fixing it. But yeah, honestly, this whole thing pretty much looks the same. I do have these like little trends here. I don't know if you guys have this. I know every market is different, so, and then we have obviously the upcoming promotions, and there's no upcoming ones yet. See driving time. Driving time, 12 hours at a time. Try not to show you guys my location here. Uber Pro snacks, you can get a free 20-ounce drink today at select shops if you're an Uber Pro member. So I can go get a free drink if I want to. You know, basically the more you drive Uber, the more snacks you can get. So I don't know, I'm down for some snacky snacks. I'm honestly hungry right now, but I don't have any food, and I can't go grocery shopping because of my footy foot. But yeah, anyways, guys, let me know if you guys have any updates in the app. That's all I see so far. But yeah, guys, thank you all for watching today's vid. Let me know if you guys are going to be out driving this week or not, or where you drive, what kind of car you drive. And how long you've been a driver, and what platform you drive for Uber or Lyft. Thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye guys. Peace.